Everyone, welcome back to the new video of English speaking classes, and I'm your coach here to help you to improve your English speaking. What I believe why English is important, because English has become a global language. Today I have an amazing book for me which will help you to improve your vocabulary. Why vocabulary is important? Because without the words, how will you speak? All depends upon you. Yes. If you will spend time with your health, so you will be healthy. Spending time on your health, not just gym. People used to go gym for muscle training, but I would like to advise you that you should do muscle training also, but stamina is also very important, which which can come by the running. If you will run, so same here. If you will learn vocabulary, it will give you the confidence to speak, because when you will know the words, you can make a sentence. Without words, you cannot make a sentence. So let's start today's video with some advanced in English words. Give me a minute. First word for the day is narcissism, excessive love of one's body or oneself. In the Greek mythology, Narcissus was a boy who fell in love with his own reflection, and after lying around for a long time, staring at it, turned into a flower. To engage in narcissism is to be like Narcissus. So Narcissus is used for the humans. Nebulous, hazy. Oscar's views are so nebulous that no one can figure out what he thinks about anything. Nefarious, evil, flagrantly wicked. The radicals' nefarious plot was to destroy New York by filling the reservoir. Neologism, a new word or phrase, a new usage of a word. Pedants don't like neologism. Nepotism, we have heard that word so many times in the Bollywood industry. Nepotism, so I will tell you the meaning of that. Showing favoritism to the friend or family. Clarence had no business acumen, so he was counting on nepotism, where he married the boss' daughter. Nominal, name only. Bert was the nominal chairman of the committee. Nostalgia, sentimental, longing for the past. A wave of nostalgia overcame me when the Old Temptation song came on the radio. Notorious, famous for something bad. A well-known actor is famous, a well-known criminal is notorious. Novel, original. Ray had a novel approach to homework. He did not do it. Ray failed geometry as a result of this novelty. Noxious, harmful. Smoking is a noxious habit in every sense. Poison ivy is a noxious weed. Nuance, subtle difference or distinction. The artist's best work explored the nuance between darkness and deep shadow. Obdurate contains one of the same roots as durable and endurance. Each word conveys a different sense of hardness. So friends, we have done today's session of vocabulary. Now you need to do some work. Write down these vocabulary with the meaning and sentence, and try to make a more sentence by yourself. Next, start reading English newspaper like this. This is an helmet. This is used for protection of your head. You should use the helmet while driving a two-wheeler. Everyone should use. I would like to advise you, without helmet you should not drive two-wheeler. It is safe and it will protect you. Same here. If you learn English, if you will read English, if you will learn the vocabulary, so it will work like a helmet for you. You can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to go for overseas, or you want to get a job in corporate sector. But that is not again enough. Start listening practice also. Listen English media. like BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, France 24, CNBC. There are lots more English news channels. And the final round is speaking. Speak with your friends, neighbor, family members, but you need to speak up. As much as you will speak, as much as your confidence will grow. And when your confidence will grow, you will go higher. Yes, your confidence is like this. And when you will do the practice, it will go up. Okay? And if you will not practice, it will go down like this. And when it will go up, so it means that you can open a new opportunity for you. So that all my message for you. I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.